Good evening, dito ako yung ngayon sa Prince Hypermart. Ipapakita ko sa inyo different kinds of Unilever Company Merge, Part 7, Cream Silk. Yan, standout straight. Purple depends. Cream Silk, standout straight. With a blend of conditioner. 350 ml, Unilever po yan. Yan. 3 oleo conditioner. 350 ml. Damage control, ultimate burn, up to 98% damage protection. 3 oleo conditioner rin po yan. 350 ml, Unilever. Cream Silk, standout straight, up to 10 times straight hair, 180 ml. Yan. Ultimate Reborn, Purple Defense, 180 ml. Unilever po din yan. Yan, Cream Silk Rich Organic Power Fusion, Rich Slow Streak Ultra Conditioner, 150 ml. Unilever po din yan. Rich Mr. Moist Ultra Conditioner, 150 ml. Then last, Cream Silk Long Lucius, up to 5 times Silk Care Tips, 170 ml. Yan, available po yan sa any grocery store, kahit sa small stores, mga malls. Yan, Cream Silk. Yan.
Thank you for shopping at Prince Hypermart. It's been a pleasure serving you.
Meron din tayong Cream Silk Dry Rescue, 180 ml. Unilever din po yan. Yan. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share for more Unilever Company Merge. Respect. God bless us all, always.